This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Phillip Pierce. Looking for a little fixer-upper? Look no further. Being sold as is, this 3-bed/2-bath home has an open floor plan that's waiting to be enjoyed by you. Sip your coffee in the Arkansas room as you look out at the wooded view, or relax in the master bathroom's jacuzzi. Needing storage or a new workshop? The large crawl space will help solve that. The housing market may be hot, but not as hot as the fireplace you'll have in the winter. Come view this home today. Agent C remarks, for more information, review the details below or contact Phillip Pierce at 501-762-6388.